Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use credit cards responsibly to build strong credit, beginner guide step by step clearly. Understanding how to use credit cards responsibly starts with knowing their purpose. Credit cards are tools that can help you build your credit history. Before applying for a credit card, check your credit report for any inaccuracies. Choose a credit card that fits your financial situation and goals. Consider options like secured credit cards if you are just starting out. Read all the terms and conditions carefully before signing up. Once you have your card, use it for small purchases that you can pay off easily. Pay your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. Set reminders to ensure you pay on time every month. Being consistent with on-time payments is crucial for building a strong credit score. Keep your credit utilization below 30% of your total credit limit. This means if your limit is $1,000, keep your balance under $300. Avoid opening multiple credit accounts at once, as this can negatively impact your score. Review your credit card statements regularly to monitor for any errors or unauthorized charges. If you notice any discrepancies, contact your credit card issuer immediately. Consider setting up automatic payments to help ensure you never miss a due date. Don't use credit cards for cash withdrawals if you can avoid it. This usually incurs high fees and interest from the day you withdraw. Building strong credit takes time and disciplined financial behavior. Stay educated about credit scores and what factors influence them. Practice patience as your credit history develops over time. With responsible use, your credit card can be a stepping stone to financial opportunities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.